Hello and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Sareen and you're watching the Reality Rundown. In today's bulletin, we bring you the latest updates from across the nation, state and region. Have a look. After being on the run for 10 days, Sumi and Taki Bora were finally arrested by the Assam Police Special Task Force while attempting to flee to Dibrugarh. Despite previously announcing their intention to surrender, the duo continued to evade authorities until their capture late at night. DGP GP Singh praised the STF team for their diligent work in apprehending the fugitives, bringing an end to the search that had gripped the region for days. A shocking incident unfolded in Boko, Assam as the Boko Coaching Academy was set ablaze, allegedly by unidentified miscreants, resulting in property damage exceeding Rs 10 lakh. The academy, owned by Ranjan Rava, was a temporary facility and was reduced to ashes in the late-night attack. Investigations are underway. Minor Brahma, accused of defrauding nearly Rs 100 crore through a fraudulent trading scheme, was arrested at Guwahati Airport on Thursday morning. Brahma, who had been hiding in New Delhi, was apprehended based on instructions from border officer in charge, Sanjeev Hande. The scam came to light after victims, mostly villagers, complained that Brahma deceived them into investing large sums with promises of regular returns from trading activities. Rajarshi Borwa, a resident of Saring village on the border of Assam's Darang and Udalguri districts, has achieved a significant milestone by being commissioned as a lieutenant in the Indian Army. Borwa cleared a UPSC Combined Defence Services exam on his 7th attempt. Upon his return to Saring village, Borwa is celebrated as a local hero. The villagers welcomed him with traditional Assamese honour such as the Gamusa and Japi. A significant cache of arms and ammunition was seized near the Bhutan border in Tamulpur. The joint operation conducted by local police and the Shastra Seema Bal resulted in the recovery of 8 grenades, 2 handmade guns and several bows and arrows from Pamkhedi, Daranga Mela in Tamulpur district on Wednesday, September 11th. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma visited Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's residence, Varsha, for Ganesh Darshan on Wednesday night. During the meeting, Shinde made a generous donation of Rs 10 crore to Assam's Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Sharma expressed his gratitude on social media, noting that the contribution will significantly aid people affected in Assam. Panic-gripped Arjikar Medical College Hospital in Kolkata as abandoned bags were discovered near the Dharna site, prompting police to barricade and secure the area. Meanwhile, junior doctors are staging a protest in front of the Health Department building. The Supreme Court is set to deliver its verdict on Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's bail pleas in connection with the excise policy corruption case on Friday. A bench led by Justice Surya Kant along with Justice Ujjal Bhuiya will pronounce the decision. The bench has reserved its verdict on September 5th, and as per the cause list of September 13 uploaded on the Supreme Court's website, the judgment will be delivered soon. Tragedy struck when a portion of the century-old Rajgarh fort in Madhya Pradesh collapsed due to heavy rain, claiming the lives of 7 family members. 9 members were trapped, 2 were rescued, with rescue operations ongoing to save those still buried under the debris. Bangladesh's new interim government under Muhammad Yunus has requested the Hindu community to refrain from playing musical instruments as part of Durga Puja celebrations during Namaz and Azan. The organizers have agreed to this request to ensure harmony during the religious observances. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.
हाय प्रियंका, कैसी है?
हाय, बस तू कैसी है?
मैं भी बढ़िया। क्या बात है, नई स्कूटी लेने का सोच रही है?
हाँ यार, नई स्कूटी लेनी है, लेकिन मंगलदुई में कहाँ लूँ, किस पे भरोसा करूँ, पता नहीं ना यार।
अरे क्यों, श्री साई मोटर्स है ना, यहाँ तुझे अच्छी स्कूटी तो मिलेगी ही, साथ ही में अच्छे ऑफर्स और अच्छी सर्विसेज भी मिलेंगी।
फिर तो मुझे आज ही जाके लेना चाहिए श्री साई मोटर्स से स्कूटी, और फिर हम लोग चलेंगे लॉन्ग ड्राइव।
क्या आप अपने नए टू व्हीलर की तलाश में है तो आज ही आए मंगलदोई भिभार घाट के श्री साई मोटर्स में। यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे बेहतरीन ऑप्शंस, शानदार ऑफर्स और भरोसेमंद सर्विस। अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें 9289922889 पर या 98649580557 पर। श्री साई मोटर्स, आपके भरोसे का नाम।